Johanna, I love the steering wheel. It's nice and chunky, great use of materials, but actually it looks very similar to my previous Jaguar.
Yes, and it is. So on the left, you can see we have a roller to select menu items. Great. So you confirm your selection with a press. You'll feel a click.
Yeah, nice positive action.
That's right. And the little diamond, that's your user-definable favorites button. It can be linked to two functions you choose by either a short or a long press. That's right.
Okay.
And the rocker switch on the right is used to set cruise control and adjust the speed.
Yeah, just like before.
Perfect. And one last thing, the lane keep assist.
Ah, yeah, it's on the steering wheel now. It's
Yes,
moved.
you noticed.
Yeah.
Okay, so you actually can see the graphic right in front of you now.
Gotcha.
Okay, and while we're here, do you remember the auto high beam assist on your previous car?
Yeah, really useful, and it's still on the eyepiece.
It is. So just like in your previous Jaguar, you can activate auto high beam assist through the vehicle settings menu. Then the system is designed to automatically switch between high and low beams.
Gotcha. All right, all the power at my fingertips.
Yep.
Loving the new features.